Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of using natural materials and techniques in furniture restoration. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a curious beginner, this journey will ignite your creativity and inspire you to give new life to old treasures. Join us as we uncover tips, tricks, and the beauty of sustainable practices that not only enhance your craftsmanship but also protect our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. Today, we're diving into a captivating subject that melds artistry and sustainability: the use of natural materials and techniques in furniture restoration. Imagine breathing new life into faded heirlooms or well-loved pieces, all while honoring the age-old craftsmanship and our beautiful environment. Don't you find that exciting? Intrigued? Let's explore this wonderful world together. Have you ever stumbled across a lovely piece of antique furniture, only to be overwhelmed by the thought of restoring it? The idea can feel daunting, leaving you wondering where to even begin. But fear not. The journey of restoration can be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling. The secret? Embracing the use of natural materials. Once you grasp this principle, you'll find that the whole process becomes not only enjoyable but deeply meaningful. Natural materials are not only better for our planet, but they also often yield stunning results. Using elements like reclaimed wood, natural adhesives, and organic finishes can transform your restoration project into a celebration of nature's beauty. Picture yourself working with materials that not only tell a story but also bring you closer to the earth. It's a labor of love. Cue visuals of reclaimed wood. Let's start with reclaimed wood. This resource is not just environmentally friendly, each piece bears a unique history. When you restore furniture with reclaimed wood, you aren't just enhancing beauty, you're connecting with stories from the past. Imagine crafting a bespoke table that once adorned a rustic barn or a vintage chair that sat in a bustling home. How fascinating is that? Each scratch or mark tells a tale, and you have the opportunity to continue that narrative. Wondering where to find these treasures? Look no further than local salvage yards, flea markets, or even your own attic. Sometimes, the best finds are tucked away right where you least expect them. When selecting your wood, remember to check for soundness and integrity. You want an exceptional piece that's ready to stand the test of time. Quality over quantity is key here. Visual transition to restoration techniques. Now that you have your reclaimed wood, what comes next? The restoration techniques. One original method that has stood the test of time is traditional joinery. This means using techniques like dovetail or mortise and tenon joints. These connections are strong, durable, and certainly highlight the craftsmanship that went into making the original piece. It's a true art form that showcases skill and dedication. Show demonstration clips of joinery. Using joinery instead of mechanical fasteners, like screws, not only adds character but also complements the natural aesthetics of wood. The organic shapes and interlocking joints reflect nature's own designs, creating a sense of harmony in your piece. It's not just about functionality, it's about creating a visual symphony that invites admiration. Transition to natural adhesives. Next, let's talk about adhesives. You might be surprised to learn that natural adhesives, like those derived from animal hide or plant-based sources, have been used for centuries by artisans. These It's a win-win situation, bringing joy to both your project and the earth. Transition to colors using botanical dyes. Let's dive deeper into colors. Rather than relying on harmful chemical stains, how about experimenting with botanical dyes? These natural dyes can be derived from plants, fruits, and even spices. It's incredible how nature provides us with such vibrant colors to work with. Visuals of dye preparation. The vibrant hues from beetroot, turmeric, or indigo can bring a whole new life to your antique pieces, celebrating nature's palette in your work. Just imagine a dining table naturally stained with the rich, warm tones of walnut dye. It's an artistic approach that will impress your friends and elevate your furniture to a whole new level. Engaging visual transition. Now that we're equipped with these fantastic materials and techniques, let's take a moment to discuss how to ease into the restoration process. If you're new to furniture restoration, start small. Look for simple projects that allow you to practice using natural materials without overwhelming yourself. It's essential to build your confidence and skills gradually. Show examples of beginner projects. Perhaps restore a small side table or a decorative chair. These smaller tasks can serve as great entry points into your woodworking journey. You can transform each piece into a testament to your creativity and dedication while enjoying the satisfaction of your hard work. Encouraging tone. Don't worry about perfection. Every scratch or imperfection tells a story. Embrace the uniqueness that each piece brings. And remember, restoration is not just about making things look new, it's about honoring the past and cherishing the journey. The beauty lies in the flaws, which adds character and authenticity to your work. Visuals of before and after. As you embrace natural materials and techniques, you'll find that each restoration project becomes a delightful adventure. You're enhancing the beauty of your furniture while also contributing to a sustainable future. With each project, you're not just crafting, you're creating a legacy. Transition to community and sharing. Are you passionate about using natural materials in your projects? Join a community of like-minded individuals. There are countless online forums and local groups dedicated to woodworking and restoration. Engaging with these communities can lead to incredible growth and connection. Sharing experiences and tips can open new doors for creativity and collaboration. Prompt for community engagement. Have you tried restoring furniture with natural materials? We'd love to hear your stories. Share your experiences or projects in the comments below. Let's learn from one another. Your story might inspire someone else, and together, we can cultivate a vibrant community of woodworking enthusiasts. As we wrap up our exploration into using natural materials and techniques in furniture restoration, I want to thank you for joining us here at Crafted Wood Studio. Your journey in woodworking not only supports your creativity but also nurtures our planet. Your commitment to sustainable practices speaks volumes. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring more engaging content to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, techniques, and inspiration. Share this video with friends who love woodworking or are eager to start their own restoration projects. Until next time, keep crafting with nature in mind. Embrace every project as a unique journey. Remember, every piece holds potential for greatness. Happy restoring!